With the rapid advancement of technology, women are continually breaking boundaries and becoming drivers of innovation. At Elephant Robotics, many female employees have made outstanding contributions to shaping intelligent robotics. Rachel Liu is the product engineer that's responsible for the Meta Animal series. With an understanding of the healing and cute value from a female perspective, she designs the product's appearance and select high-quality fur material, making Meta Animal wins more affection from the elderly and children. In addition to bionic robot pets, Elephant Robotics also offer various collaborative robots. These cobots have lowered the barrier for scholars and makers to engage in robotic exploration. Elephant Robotics always prioritizes customer needs. Melanie demonstrates her carefulness and emotional insight in her service. As a professional support technician, she is also thankful. She captures customer needs from feedback and continuously proposes suggestions for product improvements. We believe that user needs are integral to product management. Feedback on these needs is essential for products. We are committed to enhance users' recognition and affection for our brand. As we do, Elephant Robotics has always been at the forefront of innovation, continuously developing new robotic products, exploring new use cases, and optimizing services to enhance the user experience. With the mission of Enjoy the Robot World, we are committed to providing everyone with the opportunity to experience the convenience and benefits that robots bring to daily life.